Hi everyone and welcome. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the best 5 flexibility stretches which can effectively improve your back flexibility at any level, especially when you are an inflexible beginner. This video will cover up a lot of things about back flexibility. That is, the correct posture techniques for a particular stretch or the yoga pose, the correct methods to perform the particular stretching exercise, and most importantly, the anatomical perspective behind each and every yoga pose or the stretching exercise, which will definitely help you to figure out that how you can get flexible with a bit of science and lots of consistent practice. So before we proceed, I would request you to please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because you're going to find a lot of interesting content here. So now, let's start today's video. First, the Cobra stretch, which is also called Bhujangasana in yoga. All of you must be well familiar with this exercise, as you must have done this before starting any of your flexibility routines or as a warm-up for your back. The physical movements involved in the Cobra stretch are as follows. Invertebral joint involves extension, hip joint involves extension, knee, extension, ankle joint, plantar flexion, and glenohumeral joint external rotation. The Cobra stretch is one of the easiest exercises, but it is effective only when you perform it in a correct way. Here is the correct method of performing the Cobra stretch. Inhale as you press into your hands, straightening your arms a little and lifting your chest. As you exhale, ground your feet and legs and reach your tailbone back. You have to perform the sequence 3 to 5 times for an effective stretch. Second, the bow pose, which is also called Dhanurasana in yoga. This is an effective pose and it is always recommended for your back flexibility as well as your back strengthening. It strengthens your back body, including shoulders, back muscles, glutes and hamstrings. The physical movements involved in this stretch are as follows: chest, extension, quadriceps and hip flexors, opening movement. Now here is a correct method of performing the bow pose. Lie down on your belly, grab your feet and then slowly try to extend and pull your back upwards. Your body will form a bow-like posture and you have to look in front and keep breathing gently while you are in this stretch. Bow pose is also considered an excellent stretch for your lower back flexibility and your back strength, so make sure that you try to pull your leg even higher when you're in the bow pose for your intense flexibility training. Third, full Cobra stretch, which is also called Purna Bhujangasana in yoga. This is another back bending posture which you must have tried during the flexibility training, but it is considered an advanced yoga back bend which also involves your quadriceps, hip and your back movement. The physical movements involved in the full Cobra stretch or Purna Bhujangasana are spine, abdomen and chest extension. This stretch is very effective if you perform it in a correct way, or else you will end up hurting up your back. The correct way of performing Purna Bhujangasana is as follows. First, inhale and assume Bhujangasana or the Cobra stretch. Holding into the position, breathe in and breathe out normally a few times. that you enjoyed today's video. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Kindly check out the playlist for the flexibility and martial arts tutorials and the stretching routines. And most importantly, don't forget to drop a comment for me here in this video. So that's all for today. Till then, keep training, keep working hard, and don't forget, keep smiling.